welcome back to my channel, Sweet Caroline Beauty. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so, and don't forget to give this video a like. While you're doing all that, please go ahead and also enjoy this slow-mo of me. Anyway, as promised, I will be creating this bronze gold look, and I hope you guys really like it. To start off this look, I'm going to go in with my CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. This is my favorite go-to moisturizer, and I'm going to apply this all over the face to make sure that I have a hydrated canvas. Next, I'm going in with my Stila One Step Corrector Skin Tone Correcting and Brightening Serum. This is going to correct any redness and discoloration on my skin. To prime my face, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer Smoothing Primer. And I'm going to apply that all over my face, especially in the T-zone, which is the forehead and nose area that tends to get oily throughout the day. To prep my eyelids, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion and apply that all over the lid. For brows, I'm going to use the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Brow Color, and this is really cool because it comes with a fine tip marker-like point. And with that, I'm going to create hair-like brush strokes to fill in my brows. Brows are defined, I'm going to use the Morphe 25A palette. I'm going to take this light mustard beige color with a fluffy brush and apply that to my crease. Be sure to use windshield wiper movements from left to right to ensure that your eyeshadow is blended out evenly. As a transition color, I'm going to take this orangey pinky tone to blend out the mustard beige color. This is going to help the blending of your eyeshadow look a lot more seamless. To really define the crease, we're going to take this reddish rusty brown and a thinner blending brush and really go into the crease. During this step, you can define the eye to your liking. You can make the definition as subtle or as prominent as you'd like. Once you've defined your eye to your liking, we're going to go back in with the fluffy brush that we used earlier and blend in all of these colors together. Once we've blended everything out, we're going to add some shimmer to the lid by using MAC's Melon pigment and applying MAC's Fix Plus onto a flat brush, and then dipping into the pigment and applying onto the lid. By spraying the brush with MAC's Fix Plus and dipping that into the pigment, we're creating a foiled texture with the shadow that really makes the metallic pop and look very reflective. Moving on to liner, I'm going to take the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. This is the micro tip version. Taking that fine tip, we're going to start off in the center of the lid and work our way outward. Once we're done with the outer corner, we're going to move our way to the inner part of the eye, and we're going to line very finely as possible, otherwise you might shut the eye. And by shut, I mean make your eyes appear a lot smaller, which I'm sure nobody really likes. Once that's done, we can finally get to the wing. You want to use your lower lash line as a guideline to where you want to start your wing. Then you want to flick that out to where you want your wing to end, and then you're going to connect those lines to the outer corner line that you already have going. That way you have one straight wing. Now we're going to do the other eye with the same steps that I just mentioned. In order to create the illusion of a bigger eye, I'm going to use the Stila Smudge Kajal eyeliner in the color Nude. This particular liner is retractable and it contains a sharpener and a smudger on the other end. For this step, you can actually use any nude, white, or beige eyeliner to make your eyes appear bigger. Moving on to the face, I'm going to spray Max Fix Plus all over my face to prep and prime my skin. I'm going to take this Tarte's Pro Glow liquid highlighter and I'm going to apply that to literally my whole face. Once you look like the shiniest Oompa Loompa to ever exist, you can move on to foundation. I'm taking Makeup Forever's HD foundation and a Real Techniques beauty sponge and applying that all over the face. This is one of my favorite foundations. For concealer, we're going to use my go-to Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer in Light Warm. I'm making sure to cover my dark circles as well as highlight my under eyes. And I'm going to use whatever is left on the sponge to also highlight my nose, my forehead, and my chin. We definitely can't forget to set that, so I'm using my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder along with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. I'm using a very little amount that's left on my sponge to set my forehead and my chin as well. Going back to my Morphe 25A eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use all three colors that we used before and apply that to my lower lid. Blend it in nicely. With my smudge brush, I'm taking that mustard beige color and applying that along the lower lash line, making sure to blend out nicely. With a smaller blending brush, I'm going to take my orangey pinky transition color and blending that underneath the previous color I used. Using my smudge brush again, I'm going to take that reddish rusty brown color and I'm going to define my lower lash line. Lastly, go back in with your small blending brush and blend, blend, blend. For mascara, I'm going to use Better London's Double Decker Lashes Mascara and apply that on my lashes. I love this mascara because it distributes evenly. It looks beautiful, it doesn't flake, it lasts all day, and most importantly, it cleanses off easily. Since this mascara is so bomb, I decided not to wear any fake lashes. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for, bronzer. Using my favorite contour brush, I'm going to take my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer and apply that to my face. I'm placing it under my cheekbones, on my forehead, and under my jawline to make the appearance that I don't have a double chin when I really do. As you can see, I'm using a ton of bronzer. Don't be afraid to go in with the bronzer. The key here is just blending out and blending out. Using a fluffier bronzing brush, I'm going to take Too Faced Snow Bunny Bronzer and put that all over my face. I'm going to place this bronzer on my cheekbones, on my forehead, on the tip of my nose, and as you can see, it creates a nice bronzy, shimmery, sheeny highlight. That's what really makes you glow. For highlight, we're going to use Makeup Forever's Pro Light Fusion Undetectable Luminizer. This highlighter is beautiful. It's so finely milled, it shines bright like a diamond. It's all your highlighter dreams coming true. As you can see, I'm taking my Pro Light Fusion highlighter along with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 highlighting brush, and I'm placing the highlight on my cheekbones, my forehead, my brow bones, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin to create that gold dewy glow that I'm looking for. Makeup Forever highlighters are made up my favorite type of formula. This formula really just seeps into the skin. It blends in so well. It looks so seamless. You just look very glowy and dewy. And I just love the way they look. As a final touch, I'm going in with my Dose of Colors Coral Crush Liquid Lipstick. This shade goes perfectly with this look. It's also the perfect summer shade. You can also use it during springtime. Every time I wear this lip color, I get so many compliments, so I definitely recommend this shade. So once the lips are finished, so is my look. I'm just going to set with MAC Fix Plus, and we have our finished look. Here we are looking bronzy, looking golden, looking extra glowy. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're really feeling nice, please leave me a comment. Don't be shy. I might just respond.